Hi guys, I'm Mel. I'm going to do the Tinted Moisturizer bundle. I'm going to first start with the Exact Arch Brow Pencil. I love the Exact Arch Brow Pencil. It has the spoolie right here, just so you can, shape your eyebrows up a little bit. I love the pencil because it's super precise. You can get the exact look you're looking for, like if you want your brows a little thicker, thinner. I love it because it's retractable. It has the jojoba oil and argan oil in it, so it actually moisturizes your brows as you're using it. And then I'm going to go with the 6 o'clock concealer. I love the concealer because it's self-setting, super easy to use. Like, you don't have to use baking powder when you put the concealer on, and it matches perfectly. The Caffeine combats puffiness and dark circles, which is really good for me because I have a lot of dark circles, as you can see. It's super buildable, so if you want to add more, you can. And it does a lot as far as coverage. From there, I'm going to use the 3-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer, which is absolutely amazing. It has Irish sea moss in it, rose water, cucumber extract. I also love it because it's super buildable as well. I typically don't do much with the Tinted Moisturizer as far as putting a lot on, because you really don't need a lot, but if you wanted to, you definitely can. You can add more. It also has SPF 11 in it. And I love how it gives you that dewy look and just the feeling of your skin afterwards. Like, I feel like it just goes on like butter. From here, I am actually going to use the Squat Goes palette. I'm going to start with the face powder. Although I like the dewy look with the powder, if you want to tone down the dewiness, you can add more. But again, I like the dewy look, so I'm not going to add too much because I feel like the dewy look just gives you like that natural glow, and I like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the Winged Woman blush. You can also use the contour if you want to just contour right here. I usually do that. I put a little at the top and also right on my jawline. And then I'm going to use the Go Getter highlighter right here. So I love this whole Squat Goes palette because it's 4-in-1, easy to travel with. And I literally did a contour, a blush, a highlight, and a face powder that quick, all right here. And from here, I'm going to use the extra lip gloss. I love the lip gloss because it's super lightweight, a lot of coverage. It doesn't feel heavy or sticky. And then that's it. This is my final look. Now you're ready to hit the town, go to work, go to happy hour, go to brunch, wherever you want.